Hi, today I'm going to make this Valentine's Day card. Very simple to make. And materials I'm using are, this is a white cardstock, a glitter foam, a plain red colored sheet and red colored foam. And this is an OHP sheet. It's like plastic, or you can use a thick cellophane. And these are sequences. So this is a heart-shaped sequence, golden color, and these are colorful, basically pink in color, basic sequences. I've cut out this piece of cardstock. So this is about 10 inches by 5 inches. You can take any size. So I'll just fold it in half. So I'll get a 5 inch by 5 inch card. Now in order to make the stencil, take any rough paper, fold it in half and just draw a heart shape, half of a heart shape on it. Like so, and I'll just cut it out. So I've cut it out. Now I'm going to trace this on all these 3 papers. So now I have these 2 red colored foam sheet hearts, 1 red colored paper, 1 OHP heart and 1 glitter foam. So now I'll take 2 of these, the pink heart and this, and just sort of see the positioning I want. I think this is looking nice, like this. Now just take a pen and trace out on the pink foam. And now I'll just cut this out. So now I'll stick this. So first I'll stick the red paper. This is the for the backing. Just apply glue. Like so. Now stick the pink one. Like this. Now in these foam sheets, I'm just going to draw a line in the middle, leaving a little border, just going along the edge. Like this, and I'll just cut it out. So I've cut these 2 and the OHP sheet is here. So what I'll do is just take one and apply glue on the back. And stick it on this. like so. So now I'll just fill this with the sequences. So you can take any that you want. And similarly the golden hearts. Like so. Now I'll just apply glue. And very carefully just put this OHP sheet on it. Let it dry a bit, and while it's doing that we can stick the other heart. So just apply glue on this. And let it dry. So this is how it's going to look. Shake a card. Now I'm just going to write Be My Valentine on top. And this is how it's going to look after it's finished. A very pretty and very easy to make Valentine's Day card.